Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're stepping away from our usual beauty products and diving into something a little different. A product that could seriously elevate your bathroom setup. The Kohler T26426-4-CP SIMPLICE Deck-mount Bath Faucet Trim in Polished Chrome. If you've been looking to update your bathroom with something stylish and durable, this could be the upgrade you've been searching for. Let's start by taking a closer look at the product. This bath faucet trim comes with a sleek gooseneck spout, measuring a generous 7.5 inches, perfect for filling up the tub without splashing all over the place. The polished chrome finish not only brings a modern touch to your bathroom, but it's designed to resist corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring it stays shiny and beautiful for years to come. A key feature here is the deck mount design, which means it's installed right on the countertop, keeping your sink area tidy and clean. Now, I don't know about you, but I love when I see a product that combines function with elegance. And that's exactly what this faucet trim does. The material construction is premium, and the metal handles offer a solid, reliable feel. You're not going to be dealing with cheap, flimsy knobs here. Plus, Kohler's reputation for high-quality products is really shining through with this one, especially considering that their finishes are crafted to last. Real-world testing? Oh, definitely. It's been easy to incorporate into my space, and it really does make a difference. The smooth movement of the handles gives that luxurious feel you expect from a high-end brand, and the gooseneck spout not only adds visual appeal, but it's also practical for daily use. I've used it for a few weeks now, and it's made an impression. No issues with leaks or performance. The polished chrome, even after some heavy use, still looks fresh. It's one of those touches that immediately elevates your bathroom aesthetic without being over the top. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. The main pro is the durability. The high-quality material really holds up. The polished chrome finish doesn't show wear easily, and the faucet operates smoothly without any squeaks or resistance. It's a simple, elegant design that will complement a wide range of bathroom styles. However, there's a downside to consider. The valve is sold separately, so if you're planning to install this, you'll need to purchase that separately, which could add to your overall cost. For those of us on a tighter budget, this is something to keep in mind, though it's not exactly a deal breaker given the product's overall quality. In terms of value for money, the Kohler T26426-4-CP definitely justifies its price. Yes, it's an investment, but you're getting premium materials, durability, and an aesthetic that really enhances the look and feel of your bathroom. If you've been eyeing this faucet trim, know that it's built to last and can withstand the test of time. That's Kohler's trademark. In terms of performance, it's definitely on par with other high-end bathroom faucets in the market. Comparing it to similar products, you might find a few faucets at lower price points, but you'll also likely be sacrificing some of the quality that Kohler is known for. Many lower-priced faucets may not be as resistant to tarnishing or corrosion, and some cheaper models may not have the same solid construction, making this a worthwhile investment if you're after long-term durability. The build quality is solid. The metal handles feel sturdy, and the polished chrome finish is exactly what you want in a bathroom fixture. It's designed to resist the wear and tear of daily use while still looking pristine. It also comes with a Kohler lifetime limited warranty, so you know that in case anything goes wrong, they've got your back. If you're considering alternatives, you might find other brands with similar aesthetics and functions, but again, they may not have the same level of craftsmanship or the premium finish Kohler offers. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable, there are options out there, but you'll likely sacrifice some of the longevity and quality that comes with this particular model. So what's my final verdict? The Kohler T26426-4-CP SIMPLICE Deck-mount Bath Faucet Trim is a great choice for anyone looking to add a polished, high-quality touch to their bathroom. It combines durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal in a way that really enhances the space. Yes, it's an investment, but it's an investment in long-lasting quality. If you're willing to spend a bit more for a product that you can count on for years, this is a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers or home improvement enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this faucet or have any thoughts on bathroom upgrades, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.